New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing just a few snow flurries outside this morning and some patchy fog, especially in higher elevations. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera. It is facing our parking lot because we have no visibility up here because of that fog. And temperatures are in the 30s, so we are starting out pretty mild and above freezing. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, once again, just a few lingering snow flurries this morning. We are looking to dry out to a mostly cloudy day today, and we do look to reach the 40s for the high temperature. We are going to be seeing a breeze coming out of the northwest throughout the day at around 8 to 10 miles per hour. So just keep that in mind. It is going to be a little bit breezy outside with mostly cloudy skies, and we are looking to dry out from these snow flurries. Once again, this morning, most of us are above freezing. We have 34 degrees in Whitesboro and 33 degrees in Dowdesville and in Little Falls this morning. We have 34 degrees in Hamilton and in Norwich, which is down south. So today looks to be like the chilliest day of the week. Highs are going to reach the lower to mid 40s. But as we head into the middle of the week, we will reach the mid 50s for some of the days. Then we will stay in the upper 40s and near 50 as we near the end of the week. So warmer weather does look to be ahead for this week and continuing into next week. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would say today and tomorrow are going to be good days. It is going to be mostly cloudy today and tomorrow, but it does look to remain dry, tomorrow being warmer than today. On Wednesday, it does look like we are going to be seeing some rain showers, especially in the morning and afternoon. So maybe in the evening would be a good time, but it's also going to be warm on Wednesday. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies with some patchy fog this morning, and we will see breezy conditions throughout the day. Highs are going to reach the lower to mid 40s. Tonight we will see a decrease in clouds a little bit, temperatures dropping into the upper 20s, and for tomorrow it will be mostly cloudy once again. Highs in the lower to mid 50s. A few rain sprinkles are definitely possible in the afternoon and evening. Now heading into Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some rain showers in the morning hours. That wind does pick up a little bit. We will reach the low 50s for the high temperature, and that rain does look to clear out in the later afternoon and evening hours. But for today, mostly cloudy skies are expected, a slight breeze, and highs in the lower to mid 40s. We will drop into the upper 20s overnight and see a decrease in cloud cover. So we will be mostly cloudy once again for tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the mid 50s, so a little bit warmer than today. We will be in the low 50s on Wednesday with a few rain showers in the morning and afternoon, and rain continues for the rest of the week. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The North Carolina Tar Heels.
Good morning to Little Falls and all of the greater Utica region. We are seeing some patchy fog, especially in areas of higher elevation this morning. It does look to clear out by the later morning hours, so keep that in mind for your morning commute. Now today we will be pretty mild. We will rise to the lower to mid 40s, but today is going to be the coolest day of the week. We will see temperatures heading into the 50s and even the upper 40s as we head into the middle of the week. And it does look like we are going to be above normal 6 to 10 days from now, so it looks like the warm temperatures are going to be here to stay as of now. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It took longer than usual. I'm Gary Liberatore, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Monday morning to help us all plan our day ahead. And how we looking?
So we are above freezing this morning, which is good. We'll be into the 40s today. We will be drying out. And then for this week, we do look pretty warm in the 50s and upper 40s. So it should be a good, nice, mild week.
Good for us.
Yes. So I'm excited. No more cold weather is on the forecast. Yeah. So that's good.
That's about time, right?
Yes. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few snow flurries still kind of lingering around this morning, as well as some patchy fog, especially in areas of higher elevations. So just be careful for the commute. We are mostly cloudy and measuring 34 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. We are going to rise to the lower to mid 40s for the high temperature today. So we are seeing a few snow flurries, a few rain sprinkles here this morning, as well as patchy fog. We will be mostly cloudy for the day today, and as we head into the middle to end of the week, we will be seeing mild weather, but we also are going to be seeing some more rain showers. But for today, mostly cloudy skies, a slight breeze coming out of the west, and highs are in the lower to mid 40s. And I will be tracking out that rain this week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The State Health Department is urging
Dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking just a few snow flurries still kind of lingering this morning, as well as patchy fog, especially in higher elevations. So let's take a look at our Cavite Tower camera. It is facing our parking lot because we are experiencing some low visibility from that fog up here on top of Smith Hill. Our temperatures this morning are in the 30s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, once again, just a few snow flurries still kind of lingering around from yesterday, but we do look to dry out later on to mostly cloudy skies. We are also going to be seeing a breeze from the northwest throughout the day with mostly cloudy skies and once again drying out from those snow flurries. Most of us are above freezing this morning. We have 33 degrees in Dowdesville, 34 degrees in Little Falls and White Sparrow and in Lowville. Looking to the south, we have 33 degrees in Sherburne and 34 degrees in Hamilton and in Norwich this morning. We do look to rise to the low to mid 40s for the high today. So today looks to be the coolest day of the week because we are going to rise in temperature for tomorrow and Wednesday. We will be in the 50s, and then for the rest of the week into the weekend, we will be just around 50 for our high temperature. So it does look like we are going to be seeing some warmer days ahead after today. And if you did want to spend some time outside, today and tomorrow would be good days to do it. It is going to remain dry for today and tomorrow. A little bit warmer for tomorrow. On Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some rain showers moving through in the morning and early afternoon hours. So later afternoon to evening will be a good time to spend some time outside. It's also going to be pretty mild on Wednesday with our highs in the 50s. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We will be seeing mostly cloudy skies today with a slight breeze coming out of the northwest, and a few sprinkles are possible this afternoon. Highs are going to be in the lower to mid 40s. Tonight we will see a decrease in clouds and our temperatures will drop into the upper 20s. But as we head into tomorrow, it will be mostly cloudy once again. Highs are going to be in the mid 50s and a few sprinkles are once again possible in the afternoon to evening hours. Now Wednesday, rain showers do move through for the morning hours and early afternoon, but we do look to clear out for later afternoon and evening hours, a little bit warmer with our highs in the 50s. So for today, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies, a slight breeze, and a high in the lower to mid 40s. Tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds and lows dropping into the upper 20s. So today looks to be the coolest day of the week. We will rise in temperature for tomorrow and Wednesday. Rain looks to come in on Wednesday and for the rest of the week heading into Saturday. And as we drop in temperature on Sunday, snow showers are possible. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A soldier stationed at Fort Drum has...
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing more clouds than sun for today and tomorrow, but a few breaks in the clouds are definitely possible. Overcast skies come in for Wednesday and Thursday as we are going to be seeing some rain showers. So today and tomorrow is going to remain dry. Just a few sprinkles in the afternoon and evening are definitely possible, but scattered rain showers do move in for Wednesday and Thursday and for the rest of the week into Saturday. So if the kids are heading out to school this morning, definitely don't need the umbrella for today. Temperatures are above freezing this morning, and in the afternoon we will be in the 40s. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. You may have heard...
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up with just a few snow flurries still kind of clearing out this morning, as well as some patchy fog. So let's take a look at our Cavite Tower camera. You can't really see much. It is facing our parking lot, but you can kind of see that it is foggy up here on top of Smith Hill. Temperatures right now are in the 30s. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing lingering snow flurries from yesterday beginning to clear out here this morning. So we are going to be drying out today with mostly cloudy skies and a slight breeze coming out of the northwest. But most of us are waking up above freezing this morning. We have 34 degrees in Oppenheim and 33 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 31 degrees in Milford and 33 degrees in Evanston. We are looking to rise to the lower to mid 40s for today, so pretty mild, but today looks to be the coolest day of the week. We will be in the mid 50s for tomorrow and on Wednesday. We will still kind of linger just around 50 as we head into the end of the week. It does look to cool down to just a high of 40 as we head into the end of the weekend on Sunday. So if you did want to spend some time outside, I would say today and tomorrow are good days to do it. It is going to be dry today and tomorrow, a little bit warmer tomorrow in the mid-50s. Now on Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some rain showers moving through in the morning and early afternoon hours, but later afternoon and evening, it does look to dry out and get pretty warm. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. Mostly cloudy skies for today, a slight breeze, and temperatures in the lower to mid-40s. Tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds, allowing our temperature to drop a little bit. We will be seeing low temperatures in the upper 20s. Now for tomorrow, we are going to be seeing more clouds and sun once again. Highs are going to be in the mid-50s, so a little bit warmer than today. A few rain sprinkles are definitely possible in the afternoon and evening hours of tomorrow, but otherwise mostly dry. On Wednesday, we are going to be seeing an increase in clouds once again, a few rain showers, especially down south throughout the morning and early afternoon hours, but we are drying out later afternoon and evening. It will remain mostly cloudy. Before today, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies, a slight breeze coming out of the west, and highs are going to be in the lower to mid-40s. Tonight, we will drop into the upper 20s for the low and see a decrease in cloud cover. But we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies once again for tomorrow, a little bit warmer with highs in the mid-50s, remaining in the mid-50s for Wednesday with some morning and early afternoon rain showers, and rain continues for the rest of the week into the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The North Carolina Tar.
We're saying good morning to Little Falls and all of the greater Utica region. We are tracking some patchy fog this morning, especially in areas of higher elevation. It does look to be kind of dense in the spots where it is occurring this morning, but we do look to kind of clear out as we head into the later morning hours of today. Also today, we are going to reach the low to mid-40s, so we are going to be pretty mild. And today even looks like it is going to be the coolest day of the week. We will be seeing temperatures in the 50s for the next couple of days. Now looking 6 to 10 days ahead from now, all of us look to be above normal in temperature, so this warm weather does look to stay on this outlook. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It took longer than April 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Monday morning to get us all started as the work week begins, and we're starting out chilly again.
Yes, we are in the 30s this morning, but we do look to rise to the mid-40s for the high today, and then warming up into the week into the 50s.
Just looking up.
Yes, it actually is just looking up, so hopefully it stays that way.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar this morning. We are still seeing just a few light snow flurries still kind of lingering around from yesterday, as well as some pretty patchy fog outside, especially in higher elevations, so keep that in mind for your commute. We have 34 degrees at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome with mostly cloudy skies and patchy fog as well. So most of us are ranging just around freezing this morning. So we are seeing a few light snow flurries and rain sprinkles this morning. We will be mostly cloudy today, our highs reaching the 40s, and we do get more mild as we head into the week, and we are going to be seeing some rainy weather coming into the middle to the end of the week. But for today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies, a slight breeze coming out of the west, and highs in the mid-40s. And I will be tracking out the rain coming in this week coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Parents in the Utica.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. The snow flurries from earlier this morning have since cleared out, but we are still seeing some patchy fog. So let's take a look at the CAV tower camera. Can't really see much overlooking Utica at all. We have low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill because of the patchy dense fog in areas of higher elevations. On the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, snow flurries have since cleared out this morning. We do look to remain dry, but mostly cloudy for today. We are also going to be seeing a slight breeze coming out of the northwest all throughout the day, and our high temperature is going to reach the 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Right now, most of us are above freezing. This our Skywatcher reports. We have 34 degrees in Oppenheim, 35 degrees in Clinton, and 33 degrees in New Hartford. Looking to the south, we have 33 degrees in Cooperstown and in Evanston here this morning. And once again, we do look to rise to the lower to mid 40s for the high temperature today. So although we are going to be mild, it does look to be the coolest day of the week. Tomorrow and Wednesday, we will reach the mid 50s. We are going to be pretty warm the next 2 days. days. And even towards the end of the week into the weekend, we are still going to be around 50 for the high temperature. So we are going to be seeing a stretch of mild weather for this week. Today looks to be the coolest day. So if you did want to spend some time outside, today and tomorrow will be great days to do that. It is going to be dry for both these days, but mostly cloudy. On Wednesday, we do see some rain showers move through in the morning and early afternoon hours. So late afternoon to evening will be a good time to spend some time outside. It's also going to be very warm on Wednesday, almost near 60 for the high temperature. So let's take a look at everything on our skycast. We are going to be seeing breezy conditions today out of the west, mostly cloudy skies and highs in the lower to mid 40s. Tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds, allowing our temperature to drop into the upper 20s for the overnight low. Now for tomorrow, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies once again, highs in the mid 50s, and there is the possibility for just a few rain sprinkles in the afternoon to evening hours. Now heading into Wednesday, we will be seeing some more rain showers, especially down south in the early morning to early afternoon hours. It does look to clear out by late afternoon into the evening, highs almost near 60. But for today, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies with breezy conditions. Highs will reach the lower to mid 40s. Tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds, allowing our temperature to drop into the upper 20s. So today looks to be the coolest day of the week. High temperatures for tomorrow are going to be in the mid 50s with mostly cloudy skies once again. Almost near 60 on Wednesday with some rain showers in the morning and afternoon. And rain continues for the rest of the week into the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A soldier stationed at...
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies for today and tomorrow, but there is a chance for a few peaks of some sunshine out of those clouds. Overcast skies do come in for Wednesday and Thursday as we see some rain showers. So we do look dry for today and tomorrow. There's a chance for just some sprinkles in the afternoon hours of tomorrow, but we are going to be seeing some scattered showers move through for Wednesday and Thursday into the rest of the week. So as the kids are heading to school this morning, don't need the umbrella. It is dry. Temperatures are in the 30s, and by the afternoon we will be in the 40s with mostly cloudy skies. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. You may have heard of 7 a.m. It's Monday, April 4th. I'm Gary Libator, meteorologist Hannah Evans, joining us here on this Monday morning to get us all jump-started as we get ready to begin the work week. And we are beginning once again with some chilly temperatures, but finally, they may be going away, right?
Yes, so today looks to be the coolest day of the week in the 40s for the high, but we do look to rise into the mid 50s for the next couple of days, so it does look like it's getting warm.
Well, welcome, right?
Yeah, welcome to spring. So let's take a look at the bus stop forecast this morning. If you are heading out to the bus stop, it is mostly cloudy with patchy fog, temperatures in the 30s, and in the afternoon we will be in the 40s with mostly cloudy skies. So we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies all today, a slight breeze coming out of the west, and highs are in the low to mid 40s. And tonight we will drop into the upper 20s for the low temperature and see a decrease in clouds. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. From the News Channel 2 Alert.
Welcome back. Here's a live look at our Cavite Tower camera. We have low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill. As you can see, there is high elevation fog. So if you are in an area of high elevation commuting this morning, just be careful of some patchy fog and low visibility. The fog does look to clear out by the later morning hours. It's just this morning the dew point and the temperature is so close in value, so we are seeing some fog in higher elevations. Before today, we will be mostly cloudy and dry. Highs are going to be in the lower to mid 40s with a slight breeze coming out of the west. And tonight we will drop into the upper 20s and see a decrease in clouds. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. State lawmakers will return to the Capitol.
Welcome back. We are waking up to some patchy fog this morning with our temperatures in the 30s. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions, and we are going to be dry but mostly cloudy today. We're measuring 34 degrees at the Gervais Park Airport in Rome, and it is cloudy right now with patchy fog in higher elevations. So we did see some flurries and sprinkles this morning, but that has since cleared out. We will be seeing mostly cloudy skies today. Highs are going to reach the low to mid 40s, and within the next couple of days we are going to start seeing some rain come in, but it is going to be pretty mild for this week. So we are not expecting any rain for today or tomorrow, but rain showers do look to come in on Wednesday, Thursday, and then they last for Friday and Saturday as well. So for today, expect mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and highs in the mid 40s. Back to you, Gary.
Ahoy there, Hannah. Captain John's Restaurant and
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are tracking some patchy fog this morning in higher elevation areas with our temperatures in the 30s. So let's take a look now at the Cavity Tower camera. We can't really see the city of Utica. We have low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill this morning because of that patchy fog. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are tracking mostly dry conditions across central New York right now, and we do look to remain mostly dry for today. So we did see some snow flurries earlier on this morning, but that has since cleared out. We will continue to see mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, and a breeze is going to pick up out of the west. So it is going to be breezy with our highs reaching the lower to mid 40s. But right now, most of us are above freezing this morning. We have 34 degrees in Oppenheim, 33 degrees in New Hartford, and 35 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 33 degrees in Cooperstown and Evanston, and 32 degrees in West Lawrence here this morning. So once again, we are going to reach the lower to mid 40s for the high temperature, but today looks to be the coolest day of the week. We do look to get more mild for tomorrow and Wednesday with highs in the mid 50s, and even for the end of the week, we will still be near 50 for our high temperature. So it does look to remain pretty mild until we head into the weekend. So if you did want to spend some time outside, today and tomorrow would be good days to do it. It is going to be dry but mostly cloudy. Tomorrow looks to be a little bit warmer than today in the mid 50s for the high. Now on Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some rain showers make their way through in the morning and early afternoon hours. So after that, it does still look like it looks like a good time to spend some time outside because temperatures are going to be right near 60 for the high. So let's take a look at everything on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies today. Highs are going to reach the lower to mid 40s with the possibility of just a few sprinkles this afternoon and breezy conditions. Tonight we will see a decrease in clouds and low temperatures are going to fall into the upper 20s. An increase in clouds once again for tomorrow, and we will be seeing highs a little bit warmer in the mid to upper 50s with once again that chance of some sprinkles moving through in the afternoon. Now on Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some rain showers move through, especially further down south in the morning and early afternoon hours. That does look to dry out in the later afternoon to evening hours as our highs reach the mid to upper 50s. Before today, we will be seeing mostly cloudy skies, highs in the lower to mid 40s with breezy conditions coming out of the west. Tonight, we will see a decrease in clouds and low temperatures will fall into the upper 20s. So we are going to be seeing a dry day once again tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, highs in the mid 50s. Rain showers do move through on Wednesday, still remaining pretty warm. And it looks like it is going to be raining for the rest of the week into the weekend, highs near 50s. We cool down on Sunday with the possibility of some snow showers.
look at the forecast here on this Monday afternoon. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, a little bit warmer today.
Yes, it is a little bit warmer today. We're looking at temperatures right now in the upper 30s to 40s, but even today looks to be the coolest day of the week. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York. It is going to remain dry tomorrow as well, but then we are going to be seeing some rain to end out the week. We are seeing more clouds than sun this afternoon on our Mesonet cameras, but we are still seeing some sunshine peeking it out, kind of warming it up a little bit into the 40s. So we are seeing more clouds than sun for today. We are warming up even more tomorrow. We will be seeing highs in the mid 50s. And after tomorrow, we will still be seeing that mild weather, but a rainy stretch ahead for the end of the week. So for today, mostly cloudy skies. Highs are going to be in the mid 40s with a slight breeze, and I will be tracking out that rain coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The search for suspects.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing more clouds outside than sun, but it is a little bit warmer with our temperatures in the upper 30s and 40s. So let's take a look at our Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. Some dark clouds outside, but we are seeing some peaks of sunshine kind of warming us up a little bit, and our temperatures once again in the upper 30s to low 40s. We are also dry across all of central New York on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and do look to remain dry for today and tomorrow, but for both days, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies and a slight breeze. Today, our breeze is coming out of the northwest, and it is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow in comparison to today. So right now, most of our temperatures are in the upper 30s to 40s. We have 38 degrees in Old Forge and in Cassville, 47 degrees in Mohawk, and 41 degrees in Cooperstown here this afternoon. Today does look to be the chilliest day of the week. We will rise in temperature for tomorrow and Wednesday, almost near 60 degrees for Wednesday. We will remain around 50 for the rest of the week, and we do look to be cooling down for the end of the weekend on Sunday. So once again, we are going to be dry for today and tomorrow, but after tomorrow, we are going to be seeing rain showers for the rest of the week. Some scattered showers do come in for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and Sunday is going to be a little bit cooler, so possibly instead of rain showers, seeing some light snow showers. So we are seeing more clouds than sun here this afternoon. Temperatures are going to reach the mid-40s for the high today. A few sprinkles of rain is definitely possible as we head into the evening. Tonight, we will see a decrease in cloud cover. Low temperatures will be in the upper 20s, but it will be mostly cloudy once again for tomorrow. A little bit warmer as our highs reach to the mid-50s, almost near 60s. In the afternoon and evening, once again, a few sprinkles of rain can be possible, but we are going to be seeing more rain showers move in on Wednesday morning into the afternoon. So Wednesday is going to be a little bit warmer, almost near 60 for the high, with those rain showers, especially down south in the morning and early afternoon hours. It does look to clear out by later afternoon and evening. But for today, we do have a high in the mid-40s, mostly cloudy skies with a slight breeze coming out of the northwest, and tonight we will see a decrease in clouds and our lows drop into the upper 20s. So it is going to warm up even more for tomorrow and Wednesday, highs almost near 60, with those rain showers coming in for the south on Wednesday. We will be seeing rain showers for the rest of the week and cooling down on Sunday with the possibility of a few snow showers. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Parents in the Utica City at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking dry conditions across all of central New York this afternoon, but we are seeing more clouds than sunshine here today. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, dry conditions across our whole viewing area, and temperatures are kind of warming up into the 40s. So once again, we are seeing more clouds than sun, but there still is some sunshine peeking out across our viewing area, allowing us to be in the 40s for the high temperature for today. So once again, more clouds than sun today. It is going to be the same way tomorrow, but we are going to be warming up just a little bit more with highs in the mid to upper 50s instead of in the mid to upper 40s like today. But after tomorrow, we will continue to see the mild weather, but we are also going to be seeing a stretch of rain as we head into the end of the week, into the weekend. But for today, we are dry, mostly cloudy. Highs are going to be in the mid 40s, and I will be tracking out that rain coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing more clouds than sun this afternoon, but our temperatures are pretty mild. We are in the 40s. So let's take a look at the Mirabito Tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We do see more clouds than sun in the sky, but still some sun peeking out, and once again, temperatures in the 40s. We are dry across all of central New York on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and do look to remain mostly dry for today and for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a very similar day to today as well. We are going to be seeing more clouds than sun for both today and tomorrow. A slight breeze coming out of the west, but it is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow than today. Today, our highs are going to be in the mid-40s, and tomorrow we will be in the mid-50s. So here are some reports from our sky watchers. We have 38 degrees right now in Old Forge and in Cassville, 47 degrees already in Mohawk, and 41 degrees in Cooperstown. So today, it looks to be the coolest day of the week. We will only rise up from here. We are going to be in the mid to upper 50s for tomorrow and for Wednesday. We are going to range just around 50 as we head into the rest of the week, into the weekend, but it does look to cool down just a little bit on Sunday to just near 40 for the high temperature. So like I said, it is going to be dry for today and tomorrow, but we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. Rain does move in for Wednesday and Thursday, and scattered showers stay in the forecast for Friday and Saturday to end out the week. Now on Sunday, it is going to be a little bit cooler than the rest of the days this week, so instead of rain showers, we could be seeing some more light scattered snow showers. Little to no accumulation expected from this. So let's take a look at everything on our SkyCast. Once again, mostly cloudy skies today, highs in the mid to upper 40s, and it is possible to see a few rain sprinkles later on in the evening. We will see decrease in clouds overnight. Low temperatures will fall in the upper 20s, and an increase in clouds once again for tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the mid to upper 50s. Now once again, there is a possibility for just a few sprinkles of rain showers in the afternoon and evening hours. Now heading into Wednesday, we are going to be seeing some scattered showers, especially in the Mohawk Valley and south, starting in the morning, but it does look to clear out in the later afternoon to evening hours. Highs in the mid to upper 50s on Wednesday. So for today, we do have a high in the mid 40s, mostly cloudy skies with a slight breeze coming out of the northwest. And tonight we will have a low in the upper 20s and see a decrease in cloud cover. But it is going to be mostly cloudy once again for tomorrow, warmer with highs in the mid to upper 50s. Even warmer on Wednesday with a few showers in the morning and afternoon hours, and rain looks to stick around for the rest of the week. We do cool down on Sunday for the possibility for a few snow showers. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New twists and
Past tonight, Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Hey, Bill, how you doing?
Pretty good. We're turning the corner this week after more snow that we picked up yesterday. We can only go up from here, right? And we are going to in a pretty big way. By tomorrow, temperatures are going to be easily 20 degrees warmer than yesterday. And it's going to feel more like spring here throughout the course of the week. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, looking at generally dry conditions. Can't rule out a sprinkle this evening, but I think the weather will cooperate if you're trying to get out and enjoy some warmer weather today. Temperatures will remain in the 40s. If you're trying to get a jump start on cleaning the yard, I think tomorrow is going to be your best day to do that, either that or late Wednesday. We do have some rain returning to the region later in the week. Current temperature is 45 degrees. Our weather headlines: some patchy fog and frost will develop tonight. It's looking much warmer tomorrow, and some rain is on the way as we head throughout the week. We're taking a look at a cloudy and wet pattern as we head into the end of the week. Look at that forecast. It's coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A court ruling that declared New York's new
Most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking some warmer weather over the next couple of days, climbing out of that cold weather we saw yesterday and, of course, snow. None of that today. We are seeing some clouds, though, and a couple of sprinkles here and there. In general, the weather looking pretty nice this evening. This is a live look at our CAVV tower cam. Temperatures are still in the 40s, but it feels warmer because it is warmer compared to yesterday. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet. Can't rule out a brief sprinkle this evening. I think that'll be few and far between. Dolgeville 44 degrees, Little Falls 46, Whitesboro 43, Westmoreland 45. Across the Southern Valleys, looking at a temperature in Sherburne of 43, Norwich 43, as well as Hamilton. If you're taking the dog out for a walk this evening, the weather not looking too bad. Looking at temperatures in the low 40s and generally dry conditions. Tonight's featured dog is Bert. Doesn't look like he wants to go for a walk, but he looks very comfortable. If you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Low pressure working in from the west will weaken as it gets here. So we can see some clouds and showers approaching western New York. This is our weather for tomorrow, but again, notice the trend here. We see a lot of rain earlier and then a lot less rain in the most recent images there. And by the time that gets here, it looks to dry out. And we'll see some clouds from that as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Bigger story is the temperature. As that low pressure approaches from the west, the winds turn into the south. And that's going to help temperatures climb into the upper 50s tomorrow. We'll stay in the 50s Wednesday, and then some rain starts to arrive on Thursday. Cooler weather looking into the weekend as the weather turns a lot more unsettled. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, we're looking at clouds here early, and then we'll see some breaks in the clouds tonight that should allow for some frost and some patchy fog to develop. We start out Tuesday morning with temperatures in the 30s. Looking at a pretty decent day, a mix of sunshine and clouds in the afternoon, temperatures in the upper 50s. The weather looks dry heading into tomorrow night. On Wednesday, low pressure from the south will bring a brief shower south of the Mohawk Valley early in the day, and then we'll get a chance to dry out across the whole area. Temperatures once again in the 50s. Decreasing clouds tonight, low of 29. Some patchy fog tomorrow morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon, a high of 59. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A brief shower south is possible on Wednesday. The weather turns a lot more unsettled as we head into the end of the week. We're tracking low pressure, widespread rain on Thursday, and then some hit or miss showers for Friday, Saturday, even some snow showers back in the forecast for Sunday. But then just like that, we're back into the upper 50s.
I'll take it.
Yeah,
Just like that, make it go hotter.
I know, right?
Bill, thank you.
In anticipation of a busy Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, I'd like to go on record as saying we should ban this graphic for a little while.
This is actually a good graphic. It starts
Okay.
out kind of not so great, but I added more things to put away in terms of winter things. And of course, some of you are wondering, what is he talking about? Was he here yesterday? Well, looking ahead, we're not expecting any significant snow. You can put away the shovel, the snow blower, the snow tires, and the salt or sand. You want to keep the winter jacket and the snow brush, and yes, we can still get snow into late April and early May. But by this point, as we continue into the season, the snowfall is typically very small. And when we look ahead, we have a pretty significant weather pattern unfolding as we head into next week, where temperatures are expected to be way above average. And with a weather pattern like that, it's very unlikely that we'll see any significant snow after Sunday. So we still have some snow in the forecast. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Looking at cloudy conditions, and heading into this evening, temperatures will be in the 40s. We're tracking some rain showers that look to return later this week. We'll look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Ahead of the Easter holiday.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're tracking some warmer weather as we head throughout the week. Temperatures will climb back into the 50s beginning tomorrow. A live look outside. This is our Mirabido Tower Cam overlooking Oneonta, where we're looking at mostly cloudy skies, and that will be the case throughout the rest of this evening. A couple of sprinkles are possible, and they are showing up to the west. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I don't expect this to ruin any of your outdoor plans if you want to go for a walk. The weather actually is looking pretty nice. It's chilly out there, but it's all relative. It feels warmer than yesterday because it is about 5 to 10 degrees warmer at this time compared to at this time yesterday. Looking to get outside, tomorrow looks to be your best bet. Looks like a beautiful day. Temperatures are expected to climb into the 50s. If you're looking to get out Wednesday, later in the day is better. We have some showers in the forecast early. Thursday is not very outdoor friendly. We're looking at a generally all-day rain event taking place. Our Skywatchers checking in. Gray, Andy checks in with 42. Donna Norway with 44 degrees. Barneveld, 43. Also 43 degrees in Boonville. It's Marjorie checking in. Christopher in Edmondson, 43. Cooperstown, 43. Mark in Milford checking in with 39 degrees. We're tracking low pressure to the west, but this is weakening. You can see a big swirl taking place centered over Wisconsin. The clouds and the showers with it are in the process of dying off. We will see some clouds with it, but more importantly, as the low approaches our area, winds will turn into the south. That's going to help temperatures climb into the upper 50s tomorrow, and that's where we will stay for the most part over the next few days. We do have some unsettled weather returning later in the week, and that'll keep temperatures from rising quite as much. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Some thinning in the clouds will allow temperatures to drop into the 30s, so patchy frost and fog will be possible tomorrow morning. Looking at mostly cloudy skies early in the day. Breaks of sunshine throughout Tuesday. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 50s and a generally pleasant day. Wednesday, low pressure approaches from the south. This brings rain to parts of our area. We're thinking the southern valleys could see a sprinkle or a brief shower early in the day. And then in general, the weather looks to remain dry heading into Wednesday afternoon, and temperatures look to climb into the low to mid 50s before the weather turns unsettled. Low pressure will be approaching for the region later in the week, and that's going to give us some more rain. Tonight, decreasing clouds, a low of 29. Tomorrow, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Again, some patchy fog and frost early in the day, but a nice rebound. We're into the upper 50s in the afternoon. Not too windy, too, just a light breeze. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Mid-50s on Wednesday. Again, some showers possible early in the day, especially south. A generally unsettled weather pattern for the rest of the week. The steadiest rain falls on Thursday, 49. Showers Friday. Cooler weather settles in over the weekend. Sprinkles, even some snow showers returning on Sunday with temperatures in the low 40s. But then we're back into the upper 50s looking ahead to Monday. You can download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app and continue to keep track of the rain as we head later into the week. We'll be right back.
Time now for a first look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Warmer weather is in our future. Temperatures are going to continue to warm up. We made it into the 40s today. We'll make it into the 50s as we head into tomorrow. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few sprinkles are showing up to the west, and we may see a brief sprinkle this evening, but the majority of it does look dry. If you're looking to clean up the lawn, the weather should cooperate tomorrow. That should be a great day to do that. If you got to pick up any twigs, get ready for spring. Tomorrow will be your best bet. Wednesday, some rain will be returning early in the day. So later in the afternoon, you can get out and do some cleaning. And then Thursday is a no with widespread rain. Current temperature is 45 degrees. Some breaks of sunshine being reported at Griffiths. We're expecting breaks in the overcast tonight with some patchy frost and fog tonight. Much warmer tomorrow. And looking at some wet weather, especially Thursday of this week. This evening, cloudy skies, temperatures in the 40s. We are tracking that warmer weather. Look at the forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A boil water advisory is in place.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Warmer weather is expected as we head throughout the week. We'll climb back into the 50s as we head into tomorrow. Let's take a live look outside. Our Cavity Tower Cam is looking overcast, and it kind of looks like it's going to rain. There are a few sprinkles out there this evening, but it's not very much in terms of coverage as we take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I can't rule out a brief sprinkle here over the next couple of hours, but if you want to get out, maybe go for a walk. Again, the conditions in general do look pretty nice, at least nicer compared to yesterday when we saw that snow. Looking ahead, the wind, this is still a pretty windy time of the year. It's not. The winds in April are not as strong as March, but we still can get some wind. Light winds tomorrow, windy conditions on Wednesday, then Thursday and Friday. The winds will be lighter. Still a breeze out there later this week. Temperatures this evening, Curtis Corners 40, Barnard 43, Boonville 43 degrees, West Leiden 42, Yorkville checking in with 45, Christopher and Edmondson 43, Lyman and Eaton checking in with 42 degrees, and Kirsten in Whitesboro with 42. We've got low pressure approaching from the west. This is going to weaken before it gets here, but you can see some clouds and some sprinkles are to the west. A lot of this falls apart by the time it arrives locally. What the low pressure system does, though, is it turns the winds into the south, and that's going to allow much warmer temperatures to arrive tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 50s, and we'll stay in the 50s Wednesday before some rain arrives and a generally unsettled weather pattern sets up later this week with some cooler weather ahead. Let's take a look at your Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. So tonight, the clouds are going to hang around. We'll see some breaks in the overcast after midnight. That's going to set the stage for some patchy frost and fog tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out in the 30s. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will climb into the upper 50s. We'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds. Overall, it's looking to be a pretty nice day. Tomorrow night, the weather looks dry. We're expecting some rain to develop as we head into Wednesday morning, though, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. This does not impact the whole area. This also doesn't last all day. In fact, by the afternoon, all areas are looking dry. Temperatures across the board climbing into the low 50s with return to some sunshine later in the day. Forecast for tonight, decreasing clouds, a low of 29, again some patchy frost and fog tomorrow morning, and then we see a big jump in the temperature. We'll be in the upper 50s in the afternoon. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Showers south on Wednesday, especially early, 56 for the high. A generally cloudy, unsettled weather pattern here for the rest of the week. Temperatures in the 40s on Thursday and into the 40s. Even some snow showers returning on Sunday. Back over to you.
All right, Bill, thank you. As the weather out forecast tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking some pretty quiet weather tonight. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar is looking dry. We'll have some fog develop tonight along with some patchy frost as temperatures fall below freezing across many areas. As we look at our current temperature, it's down to 37 degrees. We made it into the mid-40s today, so a little bit warmer than yesterday. And we're also looking at some warmer weather ahead, too. Temperatures will be even warmer as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Look at our weather headlines. Patchy fog and frost tonight. We are looking at warmer temperatures as we head throughout the course of the week and a rainy finish to the week, especially as we head into Thursday. We could be talking about a widespread soaker across central New York. Forecast for tonight, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Again, some patchy fog is possible tomorrow morning. An overnight low down to 29 degrees. We're taking a look at conditions at the bus stop. Look at that forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, the Utica City.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside from our CAV Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures are falling. We'll drop down into the low 30s to upper 20s as we head into tomorrow morning with a little bit of patchy fog to get you started for Tuesday. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. All is quiet across the region. We've been keeping an eye on the radar this evening. A couple of sprinkles are showing up to the west as low pressure approaches our region, but that system is really going to be falling apart here as it moves in. What it will do is it will help warm our temperatures, and we're looking at really decent spring cleaning weather tomorrow. If you're going to be spending some time out raking up some of those sticks or cleaning the yard, that should be the best day of the next 3. We're tracking some rain for Wednesday. If you are looking at getting outside Wednesday, later in the day should be better. Thursday all day is looking to be a no. We're expecting widespread soaking rain throughout Thursday afternoon. Looking at temperatures around the clock tomorrow, we start out in the low 30s, but we warm up pretty nicely. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 50s here. So a nice warm day. Winds will be generally light throughout the day tomorrow. Wind speeds less than 8 miles an hour for the most part. And our weather grade, it's looking green across the board. Looking at mostly cloudy skies and dry conditions. And again, we'll continue to see some pretty decent weather throughout the day tomorrow. Wind speeds pick up on Wednesday. Wednesday looks to be a windy day. Thursday and Friday, breezy conditions across the region. The radar and satellite image shows low pressure approaching from the west. This is what will drive our weather tomorrow. And again, it's a south wind that kicks in, and it's going to allow temperatures to climb into the upper 50s. This warm weather is going to hang around. Wednesday, we're in the 50s again. Some rain impacts our weather on Thursday. That will knock temperatures down into the upper 40s. Some scattered showers as we head into the weekend and beyond. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Again, watch out for some patchy fog early tomorrow morning. It is looking to be a nice day tomorrow with a mix of sunshine and clouds, temperatures in the upper 50s. Tomorrow night, the weather looks dry, and then Wednesday, a few light rain showers arrive from the south. That will only impact the southern valleys, looks to only impact the southern valleys. The afternoon looking dry across the entire area with temperatures in the 50s. Decreasing clouds tonight, a low of 29. Tomorrow, some patchy fog in the morning, mostly cloudy skies. We warm up quickly, a high of 59. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast of showers south on Wednesday, 56. The steadiest, heaviest rain this week looks to fall on Thursday, and the early call here is a general 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. So a soaking rainfall for sure, but it's not to that level of concern, at least not yet. We'll be watching that closely here as we head into the next couple of days. Friday, 53 for the high. We're into the 40s over the weekend. Even some snow showers returning on Sunday, temperatures in the low 40s. Be sure to download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. We'll be right back.
First look at the forecast tonight. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking some pretty quiet weather across the area. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We'll be seeing some light fog developing tonight, and that could impact us the morning commute tomorrow. Our temperature is 35 degrees. We'll also fall below freezing, so there will also be some patchy frost to scrape off the car windshield first thing tomorrow as well. A light wind out there. And again, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Our weather headlines, again, patchy fog and frost tonight. The weather looks warmer tomorrow, significantly warmer than today. Temperatures make a run into the 50s. We're also tracking a rainy finish to the week, especially Thursday. We're going to take a look at how much rain could fall across the area, some early numbers coming up. We're mostly cloudy tonight. We're down to 29 degrees. We're taking a look at conditions as the kids head off to school. A look at that bus stop forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, the Utica City School.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. It's our Cavity Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will end up dropping below freezing tonight, and that introduces the chance for some patchy fog as well as some patchy frost. Heading out the door tomorrow, again, temperatures in the 30s. We're looking at dry conditions on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's that time of year where we're starting to think about spring cleanup. If you're looking to do some of that over the next couple of days, tomorrow is going to be your best bet. We're looking at dry weather and pleasant conditions for Tuesday. On Wednesday, some rain will be around early for parts of the area. Rain will be around all day Thursday. We're thinking that ends up being a washout. Around the clock, as we look at the day tomorrow, temperatures start out in the 30s, so it is chilly at 7 a.m., but we warm up really quickly. We'll be into the 50s in the afternoon, upper 50s here by 3, 4 o'clock. The winds will be generally light throughout the course of the day, and the weather is looking fantastic from start to finish. Mostly cloudy skies, but it does look dry and pleasant across the region. The winds, which have been very blustery lately, will be light tomorrow. The winds are back on Wednesday, looking at windy conditions with winds between 20 to 30 miles an hour, wind gusts 20 to 30 miles an hour, and breezy conditions Thursday as well as Friday. We've got low pressure approaching from the west. This will be driving our weather tomorrow, and while it is weakening, which means we're not going to see much in the way of rainfall, we will see the circulation, the south wind ahead of it. It's going to allow for temperatures to climb into the upper 50s tomorrow. It stays pretty mild on Wednesday before steadier rain returns on Thursday. We're going to get into an unsettled weather pattern as we head into the end of the week and into the weekend. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Cloudy skies, breaks in the overcast should allow for temperatures to drop into the low 30s. Patchy frost and fog early in the day, and then mostly cloudy skies throughout Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures climb into the mid to upper 50s. Tuesday night, the weather looks fairly quiet. Some rain develops by Wednesday morning, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s to low 50s as we head into Wednesday afternoon, with a return to sunshine later in the day. Tonight, decreasing clouds down to 29 degrees. A little bit of patchy fog early in the day tomorrow, but then it warms up really fast. High 59 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The steadiest rain this week is Thursday. We're expecting a general 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. That is below the limits of causing any flooding issues, but it is something we'll be watching closely. Friday, we're into the low 50s and more scattered rain showers, cold enough for snow showers as we look ahead to Sunday. Download our free Storm Tracker 2 weather app. We'll be right back.